By the looks of things, it seems that Nissan is on the upswing. Not only were they on target with the new car launches, the Japanese automaker just keeps on rolling. To keep the momentum going, Nissan has launched yet another updated model. The most obvious change is its front end. A new grille takes center stage with more prominent chrome slats and surrounds. It also loses the tri-grille arrangement that's been a signature of Nissan models over the last couple of years. Even the headlights get a mild makeover, employing the split arrangement from the Patrol flagship SUV. Last but not least are the bumpers that are more angular with defined corners. All in all, the styling updates reflect Nissan's current design language for pickups and SUVs. While it's not the most exciting Nissan model out there, it is a very important one. After all, the NV350 is offered around the world and caters to the very important commercial vehicle customers. These types of vans are sales drivers for the company as well, so this updated model has to be impressive. The interior gets a few updates as well. Some of the changes made to the 2022 model are its steering wheel, digital multi-info display, and climate control system. Japan spec models even include automatic emergency braking and stability control standard as part of the Intelligent Mobility Safety Package. Body style configurations are still the same. These include the narrow body with the standard roof, narrow body with the tall roof, wide body with standard roof, and wide body with tall roof.